bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Memory involves three key processes: encoding, storage, and retrieval. Encoding is how perceived information is transformed into a construct that can be stored. Storage then maintains this information over time, and retrieval is the ability to access the information when needed. We forget due to reasons like failure to encode, not paying attention, decay theory, time passing, interference, other information competes, and retrieval failure, inability to access stored information. Strengthening memory can involve strategies like mnemonics, practice, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.